Hello. So today for lesson 2, we are going to go over the black keys. And this is the trick on how you find all the C's and all the F's. So let us begin with C, okay? And by the way, let me show you where middle C is, a little bonus for this one. How do you know what middle C is? Middle C is the closest C to the center of your piano, okay? Now, to find all of the C's, which is that, you are going to locate all of the 2 black keys. Here we go. Okay, now take it up one more step. You're going to go. All right, now you can do that until you feel comfortable, okay? Now let's move on to the F. The 3 black keys are going to be your trick, all right? Here they are, right here. So here we go. All right, now go again, and this time you hit the F. All right, now if you want to test yourself after you feel comfortable, go ahead and just hit all of the C's and see if you can do it without thinking. Do the same thing for the F's. See if you can do it without thinking. All right, that's it for this lesson. Have a good one, guys.